Parvarish, Mom Tell Me a Story series. Today's story is Jack and the Beanstalk. Long ago, a poor widow lived with her son Jack. One day, the widow realized that there was no money in the house to buy food. If only we had the golden hand and the magical harp that was stolen from your father by a wicked giant, now all that is left to sell is the cow, the widow told Jack sadly. Do not worry, mother, I will go and sell the cow, said Jack and started for the market. He hadn't gone far when he met a strange old man. Where are you going, son? Asked the old man. I am going to the market to sell my cow, said Jack. Will you exchange your cow for these magical beans? Asked the old man. Jack gladly took the magical beans and gave the old man his cow. When Jack reached home, he said, Mother, look, I sold the cow for these magical beans. His mother was furious. Foolish boy, she cried angrily. How could you sell the cow for some beans? Angrily, she threw the beans out of the window and said, You won't get any supper tonight. This is your punishment. Jack sadly went to bed with an empty stomach. The next morning, when Jack got up, he found his room in darkness. Quickly, Jack went to the window. A giant beanstalk had grown outside his window. It went high up to the sky. The old man was right. The beans are magical, thought Jack. Jack was curious to know where the beanstalk ended, so he jumped onto it and started climbing. He climbed the beanstalk until it reached the sky. There he saw a castle. At the castle door, Jack met a giantess. Good morning, madam. I am hungry. Could I have some breakfast? Jack asked politely. Run away at once. My husband is a giant who eats children. He will return soon, said the giantess. But please, my dear lady, I'm very hungry, pleaded Jack. All right, come inside, the giantess said. The giantess gave Jack a slice of bread and a piece of cheese to eat. Suddenly, there was a loud thumping sound, and the castle began to tremble. It's my husband, said the giantess. Quick, hide inside the pot. Jack obeyed at once. The next moment, a giant entered the castle and shouted, Fee, fee, for fum, fee, fee, for fum. I smell the blood of an Englishman. Be he alive or be he dead, I'll grind his bones to make my bread. It is only the smell of a deer you have hunted today, the giantess told her husband. The giant was pacified with this answer. Bring me the golden hat, roared the giant. The giantess immediately brought him a golden hen. The giant put the hen on the table and said, Lay me an egg. At once the hen laid a beautiful golden egg. It must be the golden hen mother was talking about, and this giant must have stolen it from my father, thought Jack. A little later, when the giant fell asleep, Jack tiptoed out of the pot. He picked up the hen and rushed down the beanstalk. When Jack showed his mother the golden head, she was overjoyed and hugged him. But she also asked him never to climb up the beanstalk again, as the giant was cruel and mean. But Jack wanted to get back all his father's treasures, so he again went to the giant's castle. Again, Jack met the giantess, who could not recognize him due to her poor eyesight. This time, the giantess hid Jack behind a pile of firewood. When the giant came home, he shouted, "Fee fee fo fo fum! Fee fee fo fum! I smell the blood of an Englishman. Be he alive or be he dead, I'll grind his bones to make my bread." The giantess said, "It is only the smell of a people whose homes you rob." Again the giant was pacified with the answer. "All right, then bring me my golden harp," he shouted. The giantess obeyed. The giant commanded the harp, "Play me some good music." Immediately the harp played beautiful music. Soothed by the music, the giant fell asleep. The harp seemed to sense that and it stopped playing at once. Then Jack came out from behind the firewood and tiptoed towards the golden harp. He cautiously picked it up and dashed out of the castle. Suddenly, the harp cried out, "I am being stolen!" Immediately, the giant woke up and saw Jack running away with the harp. He was furious. With a terrible roar, the giant ran after Jack to catch him. However, Jack rapidly slid down the beanstalk, but the giant was close behind. When Jack almost reached the bottom, he shouted, "Mother, bring me an axe." When his mother brought him one, Jack violently began to strike at the beanstalk with the axe. Soon the beanstalk was completely chopped off. It fell down on the ground with a great crash, and so did the giant. That was the end of the wicked giant. Jack and his mother were no longer poor. They sold the golden axe that the hen laid. The music of the harp suited them. Their life was full of happiness like never before. If you have liked our Parvarish story series, then please share it, like it, and subscribe it to your friends. Thank you.